Alright, what's up everyone? So, I guess I'm back on YouTube now again. Took a break. I know I didn't tell you guys, but after blowing my 5 top step XFAs, I was just down bad, right? So, I legit just was stuck in my room, back testing all day, forward testing, testing new time frames, strategy, and all that. I should have let you guys know, but I just really didn't want to, like, I took a break, then I was doing good on my XFAs, and then blew everything, right? So I know what I did wrong and all that. Basically, just because I had 3 bad days in a row, I switched my strategy, I switched pairs and all that. Sorry, there's a lot of mosquitoes around. But yeah. Anyway, now we're back, hopefully. So I'll show you guys the recap for this week. I already have a Take Profit Pro account. We're up 4K. Right now, it's Friday. If I want to withdraw something, I can withdraw 2K right now, USD. So that's good. And yeah, from now on, whatever happens, on YouTube, my channel is for documentation, right? So it doesn't matter if I do bad or right. And in the long run, like later when I become actually successful and famous, I'll look back at this video and be like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's good to document everything and just post it, whatever, lose or win or losing streak, right? So yeah, this is just the intro. Now I'll go back to my home. I was actually doing bike, so I don't know if you guys see, there's the view, just trying to be leaner. But yeah, I'll go back to my home now and I'll recap the week and show you guys all the executions and all that. So far, the past week and this week was one of the best. Just the setups are hitting and it's good. So yeah, let me just get out. There's a lot of mosquitoes right now and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, I'll be back now. Whether I lose, I win, whatever happens, I'm here to document my journey, and that's it, right? And one thing is, I really appreciate all the support, the views, even if it's still very low, at least I have views, so I'm still grateful, right? And the support, right? I see the nice comments, the likes, and all that, so I appreciate it. I appreciate that. So let's start. Take Profit Pro right there. We're looking at 54K. This is a 50K account. So this week alone, I'm up 4K USD, right? So this is a little bit more because I'm in Canada. So yeah. Journal. So Monday, so what I did is, Take Profit is very nice, but there's one problem, the intraday drawdown. So once you get the pro account, you really have just one choice. It's to full port the first day. Because let's say I'm up 1K and I'm aiming for, here, let me find an example for you guys. Here, for example, real quick. Let's say I entered right there, right? 9:45 I entered. And I'm up, I don't know how much, right? Let's say 1K. And price ends up coming back. This is 1K intraday. So it's like if I lost 1K already, I mean, you guys probably already know what's intraday. But anyway, so first Monday, I did that, but price retested my entry point and I just took the L. So I reset it. From there, Tuesday, but still, it was a win, but because of the intraday, I lost. Tuesday, full transparency. First trade, bang, we up 2K. The buffer is met, no intraday. Now it's a normal drawdown, right? From there, Wednesday, another win. Thursday, another win. Today was supposed to be a win, but I personally got scared and closed my position for a little loss. That's it. But so far, to be honest, very, very, very clean week. And the past week was eval, so doesn't matter. So yeah, I showed you guys my account. I don't want to show you guys too much information, but here. Balance 0, 50k. First trade, first day, second day, third day. So all winning right now. And right now, if I want to, let me just close this. If I want to, I can withdraw 2k. But personally, I will just leave it on until I can have max contract available with them. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep scaling. And because yes, right now I can withdraw 2k, so I can have 2k buffer, but it's not life changing, right? So I'll just leave it so I can risk way more contract and get way more, right? All right, now that's done. 14. I'll recap real quick some days, and I'll just so you guys can get up to date. I'm still using my stream strat. I'm on Nasdaq. Some things have changed. For example, 15-minute and 5-minute is the only time frame I'm using right now. Stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit harder since I need to mark fair value gaps in the past, but we'll see how we do. So on the 15-minute, I saw those two fair value gaps that needs to get filled at some point. And like always, I had Asia London session marked. On the 5-minute, price ended up coming to this level, so this is invalid. I removed it. And then I didn't see a clean rejection, so I didn't do nothing. Then this rejected and closed all the way above. It closed all the way above London highs. So from there, at the retest of this zone, I entered for a long Monday, like I showed you guys, which at the other retest, 955, I got stopped out. And since I was already up, I don't know how much, the intraday just ate me up. But the trade played out. From there, second day, I'm keeping it simple, right? I backtested macro, I backtested the power of 3, so accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, right? They all work. At the end of the day is what you understand the most, right? This strategy, I have experience with it and it works, so that's why I'm sticking with it. And there's a lot of people. The only reason I was looking at other strategies is I seen a lot of people like on TikTok and stuff like that. They all use the same thing from ICT. So AMD and macros, 945 to 1015. But then there's a lot of other people, they use just liquidity levels, fair value gaps and all that. But anyway, right there we had two entries. The entry that I took was this one, so 930, breakout of the highs for Asia at the retest I was in, and full TP, as you can see. But there was this level right there too, so 925, we closed below, London high. Then if we go on the 1 minute time frame, since 930 we don't take it, since it's market open, if I remember right, 930, bang, then 931 we could have had an entry right there. Let's go to the next day. 930, bang. I don't know if it's 931 or 930. Regardless, we didn't get any retest, so it doesn't matter. We closed below. Like I said, this week was just same thing every single day. 930 closed below Asia high. We got the retest of the zone. Bang, I'm in. Full TP. My entry 935. I'm not gonna go mark the fair value gaps and all that. Just know that. But yeah, let's do this one. Instantly, 930, 935, 940. Bang, the trade is won. And today, Friday, so 9:30, so 9:25 rejected this zone. We got a retest at 9:30. Was it 9:30 or 9:31? 31, 9:34. So we had an entry right there. I didn't take it personally. And today I was risking way more. I was risking, so all the past days were, except Monday, because like I told you guys for take profit, I was risking 500 for 1k, 1 to 2. And today, since my account was 4k and more, I was risking 1k to 2k, 1000 to make 2000. So 2 contracts, not 2 contracts. Stop loss, TP, yeah, 1k. Anyway, we had an entry right there. Then breakout 9:30, 9:35 I was in. Now what happened is at some point, I don't remember when, we had a massive push to the upside and I just got scared and closed my position. That's just honestly what happened. Let's go on the 1 minute, maybe I can show you guys. Let's remove this. So at some point on the 1 minute time frame, we just dropped a lot quickly, and then when price came back, I just got scared and honestly just closed. Now I don't know, was it at 10 that I closed or at before, but anyway, since I was risking way more, I closed, and as you guys seen, it didn't refresh yet for take profit, but you guys seen it here, minus 280. Really nothing for what I'm making right now. And that's what happened. So next time I'll just leave it. Either we take profit or take the L, right? As simple as that. So yeah, but the strategy worked perfectly again for full TP. But like I said, I closed it and lost 280, which is really nothing. So yeah, this is the recap. I'm excited to make back videos, guys, really. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe. Hopefully, not hopefully, but let's start stacking up more money and we can have better videos, like vlogs, you know, me hitting the gym, I guess, destroying the streets. But all this takes money, so with time we'll have better quality content. But as of right now, like I said, it's gonna be only recaps, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys Monday.